Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. This is the week 6 challenge for the Bushcraft challenge, week number 6. Just out in my backyard now, there's a few vehicles passing by, but this week we had to build a camp chair, just like this one, and then we had to do a table as well. The table works pretty good. The ground is completely frozen, so I couldn't put the stakes in the ground. So I ended up doing a pile of snow and planting those in the snow. This chair is actually surprisingly comfortable. I wasn't expecting it to be comfortable, but it's actually pretty good. And you can I used some aspen, so just dead trees, and it worked pretty good. Let me show you from closer up. Really quick video this week. I was pretty limited on time. So there's a total of 6 logs, 2 triangles, tied at the base and at the top, and then there's these 2 horizontals, one in the back, one in the front, and it really comes and kind of squeezes and traps this log in. And then I split some logs for the actual seat, and you can put cordage around for the backrest, but it's not really necessary. It's actually pretty comfortable just like that. And for the table, you got your 4 stakes, your 2 horizontals, and then I split 2 logs to make 4 halves, and that works pretty good. There you have it, my submission for week number 6 of the 12-week Spirit of the Woods Bushcraft challenge. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.